Are you building a SaaS application and looking for a secure way to deliver reports to multiple customers without risking data leaks? Managing reporting across tenants can be complex, but with the right architecture, it becomes simple, scalable, and secure. In this video, I'll walk you through how Bold Reports enables multi-tenant reporting, how the architecture works, and how you can create sites and manage permissions to ensure complete data isolation for every customer. Multi-tenant architecture is a design approach where a single application instance serves multiple customers, called tenants, while keeping their data completely isolated. In Bold Reports, each tenant operates as a separate site. Data, users, and reports are logically isolated. And the system runs on shared infrastructure for efficiency. This ensures that each customer only sees their own data, even though they share the same reporting platform. Bold Reports uses a flexible and secure architecture to support multi-tenancy. A single installation serves multiple tenants, and each tenant is created as a separate site with its own resources. You can configure separate databases per tenant or shared databases with proper isolation. This architecture helps you scale your SaaS platform while maintaining strict data security. With Bold Reports, setting up a new tenant is simple. When you install the report server, the first default site is created automatically. You can then create additional sites for new customers or departments. Assign unique names and configurations to each tenant. Each site acts as a completely unique, independent reporting workspace for clean separation between customers. Permissions play a critical role in multi-tenant reporting. Bold Reports provides role-based access control, allowing you to assign roles such as admin, designer, or viewer. You can control which roles can view reports, edit reports, and manage data sources. This ensures that every user only sees the data they are authorized to access, eliminating the risk of cross-tenant data exposure. Bold Reports makes it easy to embed reports into your SaaS application. You can embed a report from a report server using JavaScript, ASP.NET Core, React, or Blazor. With embedding, you can deliver secure, real-time analytics directly inside your app without exposing sensitive data. Let's see how to embed a report from a report server into a JavaScript application. You start by creating a basic JavaScript app. First, create a new folder and name it JS Report Viewer. Open the folder in your preferred editor, such as Visual Studio Code. Create a new HTML file named index.html. This file will act as your simple SaaS application interface. Next, include the required Bold Report scripts and styles inside the head section of your HTML file. These scripts load the report viewer control and enable all interactive features. Then, create a div element, which acts as a container for the Bold Report viewer on the web page, and add the ID attribute and style. The ID uniquely identifies the container. The style defines the size of the report viewer. Add a script tag. Implement a JavaScript function to initialize the report viewer control in the div element with the ID attribute. To render reports from the report server, you need to configure the report service URL. This defines the Web API endpoint responsible for report processing. It includes the server name and API route. Then, configure the report server URL. This specifies the report server instance, including the server and site details. Configure the report path. This indicates the report you want to load from the server. Finally, configure the authorization token. To access the token, log into the report server. Then navigate to your user profile. Generate a personal access token, copy it, and add it to your application. Now, run your HTML application in the browser. The report viewer loads instantly and the report is rendered directly within your SaaS app. You can see that the report maintains its pixel-perfect layout, including precise alignment, fonts, styles, and the table. With bold reports, you get secure tenant isolation, the centralized management of multiple clients, flexible data connection options, scalable architecture for growing SaaS platforms, seamless embedding into modern web applications, all in a single unified reporting platform. In this video, we've explored how bold reports enable secure multi-tenant reporting for SaaS applications, how the architecture works, and how to create tenants and manage permissions effectively. If you want to embed reports into your SaaS app without worrying about data leaks, Bold Reports provides everything you need from architecture to execution. To explore multi-tenant reporting and start building secure, scalable reporting solutions, visit boldreports.com. Start a free 30-day trial or schedule a personalized demo with our team today. Thanks for watching.